Welcome to the TurtlePod white.elephant Christmas Special, a game where everyone brings one gift and puts it under the tree. The players draw cards for the turn order with the highest going first. The first person picks a gift from under the tree of their choice. The second person then has the opportunity to steal that gift or open a new one. If your gift is stolen, then you get to go again. Everyone goes until all the gifts are open. Oh, and a gift can only be stolen 3 times. Good luck, players, and Merry Christmas!
My friend, let's just get the game started. You'll understand as we move on.
Alright, well, let's get this started.
Great. A mug.
Cool, a mug.
Alright, my turn. Nerf gun. Cool. I really don't want this.
A Nerf gun, huh? I can dodge that.
Hey, shoot me. Come on, shoot me. I'm a master at dodging Nerf
Clay,
guns.
cut it out, man. It's my turn.
I can hit him from here.
Alright, I go first. Pretty nice.
Snickerdoodles, that's mine. I was gonna open it myself. You fool. I knew you wanted the protein powder this whole time. That's why I chose it. So I'd be in a position to steal something even better. Checkmate.
Pen. Okay.
I mean, it's got a T-Rex on it.
Michael, your turn.
Alright.
Let's go, Michael!
Hey, DeVito. You guys see that? It's fucking
Yo, that candle is calling out to me.
Oh, it's my turn now, right?
Do it.
I want to steal that protein powder from Dom!
It was all part of the plan.
Here you go.
Yes, I need this for tomorrow. I'm such a smart person. Now this is what I'm talking about.
This is nice. Yeah, this is pretty
Ah,
nice.
dude, that's an awesome gift, man. Shoot me.
Hey, come on, let's keep this moving, but Jake, I know you want this awesome pen.
It's a Mars turn, bro.
No, I want you to shoot me. Come on, I haven't felt the rush of a Nerf gun in years. Shoot me. Come on, shoot me.
Alright, fine. If it'll get the game moving along.
My friends, I think it is my turn. I'm excited. It's an avocado. Yay.
There's no greater truth than seeing yourself in a mirror. All your flaws, all your perfections. They reflect back at you, haunting.
Yay! I love Diddy DeVito.
Yo, that candle is calling out to me.
Nutcrackers. I really hope someone steals this. My turn. And I'm gonna steal the mirror.
Once again, something within my grasp leaves me, and I am left alone in this empty void that is life, meaningless and hollow.
Pretty cool, yeah. Cool bag. It's pretty good.
Oh my god. That's so cool. I know.
My friend, that's a weapon.
That's so cool. Overload.
Hey, chill.
Hey, whoa!
Yo.
Whoa! Jake, don't do this. This is for stealing my mirror. No, you don't have to do this! No! No!
Well, I'm up first.
You got this, dog.
What are you doing?
Oh.
I'm the one that's gonna make it to the end of this game alive.
Dude, it's a Nerf gun.
What the frosty is going on right now?
My turn. Let's see what you got, friend.
Let's see.
See what it is, man.
Oh man.
Oh, congratulations. Pen for calculus.
You got this. No one.
What?
I like it.
Is that legal?
What?
My virgin days are over, friends. With this, now I will be able to ask for as much bob as I want.
I hope you liked the few seconds you had with that guitar, 'cause it's mine now.
Do you like it, Jakey?
It's my turn now, and I use it to steal from Amar.
You son of a nutcracker! You're gonna pay for that. You never should have stolen my guitar, you ding dong!
So who's going first?
Wait. Why are there only 4 of us?
Were there ever more than 4 of us?
I don't think so.
Whose apartment are we even in?
I don't know. Well, let's get this thing started. I think it's my turn. It's an avocado. Thanks.
So, this bag has the gun in it? That's good to know. But I still don't know who has used it. I'll put it to the test by choosing the other gift and keeping a close eye on that one.
Oh! Danny DeVito. This is so cool.
Very cool, man.
Yeah,
You see this?
guess it's my turn now.
Wait, if Jake has had the gun before, there's a chance he'll shoot me with it and I'll cease to exist.
Don't grab that one!
Why?
Because it like sucks, man.
How would you know?
Just pick a different one.
He's acting weird. He's probably bluffing. I'll open it anyways.
Oh, figgy pudding. This is bad.
With this many people gone, someone else must have touched the gun by now.
So it was you. He knows.
He's my biggest threat to making this out alive. I need to take him out now.
If I don't do something fast, I'm done for.
Sorry, Dom, but I play to win.
Wait! If you shoot me, there's only a 33% chance that you'll get the gun next round. We can figure this out together.
I like those odds. Figuring out a way for all of us to survive would have been ideal. But if you got the gun in the next loop, you would have shot me that very second. Goodbye, my friend.
So, I go first, right?
I think so, yeah. Ooh. With my turn, I will steal that mirror.
Ah, sugar plums. Oh, sweet, a Nerf gun, guys. Check it out.
I thought it was a little weird for the three of us to be playing White Elephant.
Jeez, Butterfingers, get a grip.
Madison, stop!
What?
That is not a normal Nerf gun.
What are you talking about?
Okay, call me crazy, but there were originally 9 people playing White Elephant together. 6 of them got shot by that Nerf gun. And I think that whoever gets shot by that Nerf gun gets erased from existence.
I think he's right. I could only remember them after I touched the gun.
Well, think about it. What are only 3 people doing playing White Elephant together?
Well, what do you think we should do about it?
I have an idea.
Okay, whatever you do, don't miss.
Great, thanks.
Just aim at the gun in the mirror.
Whatever you do, please don't shoot me.
This is stupid. What if it's just a Nerf gun?
We've been over this, just do it.
If you don't shoot, I'm going to pee-pee.
Just give me a second.
Fire on the exhale.
Do it!
Alright, second time's the charm.
Oh god, I can't believe I hit him hard.
Look, this might be our only chance to get him back. Just calm down and shoot the gun in the mirror.
Easier said than done, apparently.
Let's just get this over with.
Oh. And so the White Elephant gift exchange concludes. Some people got a gift they liked. Some ended with a mug. But the Christmas season is always spent better with friends. So on the behalf of Wait, Clay, what are you looking at? And so on the behalf of TurtlePod, what are you doing, Clay? Put that down. Ho ho. Oh, snickerdoodle.
Nice find. I wonder if it works.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Don't grab that one!
Why?
I'm sorry. Don't grab that one!
Why?
Because that gift sucks. Don't grab that one!
Quick reset.
Don't grab that one!
Why?
Because that gift sucks. Don't grab that one!
Why?
Because that gift sucks.
Action.
Don't grab that one!
Why?
Because that gift sucks, man.
How would you know?
Just make a different. Fuck! God!